New to PowerPoint 2016 is a screen recording feature that allows you to record your presentation, including audio. Well, that is, if you have a microphone hooked up to your computer. And for that matter, you can record anything on your screen. It doesn't have to be PowerPoint, but you have to, well, obviously go through PowerPoint to use this feature. So to screen record, come up here, click on the Insert tab, go to the Media group, and there you go, screen recording. Hover over it. In the pop-up, it says record your computer screen and related audio before inserting the recording onto your slide. Click on it, and there you go. You get across it. You can click and drag to select the area that you want to record. So it can be just, small little area right here. And if you're like, oops, didn't mean to do that. Well, we haven't begun recording yet, so that's okay. Just come up here, click on select area again, and it clears off your selection. You can restart and reselect, like let's do the entire screen. So just keep dragging until you get close to the borders and it'll snap to the entire window. There you go. Snapped. It's got the entire screen on this monitor selected. And then you can come up here and click on record. Of course, you got all these shortcut keys. The Windows logo key plus Shift plus R if you want to begin recording instead of clicking on the record here. Or to stop it, you can use the shortcut keys or click on stop or select. You can include audio. If not, then go ahead and deselect it. And then record the pointer. If you want the pointer in it, then, well, leave it selected. So when you're ready, go ahead and click on record. If you want to keep this up during the recording, pin it. And so when I click on record, well, gives you the option, counts it down, and gives you a little pop-up. Now it's recording. So if I go ahead during the recording, I say collapse it, and then I click off, well, you can see it disappears until I come up to the top of my screen and tap it. Then I can go ahead and stop it. Now, you may not want that in the recording, or it's okay if you do. Just towards the end, leave yourself enough time to cut that part off, if you don't want to be seen coming up here and tapping that. In any case, go ahead and say, click here, do this, do that. Hey, I'm a professional trainer now. Cool. Then when you're done, use the shortcut keys or come up here and tap it, and then click on stop, and it inserts it on the slide. Well, the first slide here, it looks grainy, but it'll look good let's begin our presentation here. Click on slideshow. And there we go. Let's go ahead and come down here and click on the play bar. And it gives you a little pop-up. Now it's recording. So if I go ahead during the recording, I say collapse. Jump around here. I don't want to be seen coming up here and tapping that. See, I'm just jumping and we get to the end. You can hear me. Hey, I'm a professional trainer. And it gives you a little pop-up. Now it's recording. So if I go ahead. In any case, I'm starting over again. It's looping. Let me hit the escape key and go back. So hey, cool. I now have a recorded screen here. That's included in my presentation. So if I want to record, like maybe going to a website, how to navigate around this website, maybe it's a product saying, okay, this is where you go to purchase my products, and this is where you go to download and how you download it and extract it. Could be very informative. And then that way, if you go to a place that doesn't have great internet connection, well, do a pre-recorded screencast here and you got it inserted, you're good to go. And in addition to that, if you want it as an actual movie file, like an MP4, go ahead and right-click on it, and you can save the media as, click on it. Let me drag this down here. It's onto my desktop, type in a name. Of course, everything we do here at Dreamforce is spiffy. So it's going to be my spiffy media file, MP4, and then click on Save. All right, let's take a gander. Let's go ahead and minimize this down to the taskbar. There's my screen recording MP4. Double click and gives you a little pop-up. Now it's recording. So if I go ahead during the recording, I say collapse it. Let's go ahead and close out of that. Cool. And let's come back down here to the status bar, restore the window, and of course you got your right-click options to trim it, or well, you can come back up here instead of in the shortcut menu here, the options as we covered in an earlier training video to format the video, or for the playback options, including if you want it to fade in, not have it abruptly start playing, and going right to the audio, fade out, add a bookmark. You want to go ahead and watch that training video on video and also audio if you're going to be just using audio and not video. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.